wanna rock your body.
Yeah, we're rocking again. We're rocking enough.
You're actually so scared.
I hate heights.
Yeah, but you're like, you know when you get to the top I'm gonna rock.
Yeah, of course.
Well, let me rock.
Don't.
I'm gonna...
Honestly. Gonna stay married?
You're such a little bitch.
Yes, I'm not in uniform. I'm worth nothing to you right now.
I've noticed that you're holding on for dear life.
Yes, I don't like
Oh,
heights.
spooky.
Can you stop moving?
You happy it's over?
No, I'm fucking hard now. Didn't scare me one minute. Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a makeup tutorial. Got to look like that.
Look at these knobbly bobblies.